What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. In this one, I want to talk about XRP because it seems like every time we jump on here, we have something new. We have another project that we've talked about in the past that is starting to make moves. First, we really talked about CRO and the movements that's there, and we're obviously seeing that continue to thrive, especially being or compared to where it was. But one of the major positions that we hold in our portfolio, which is XRP, is now continuing to run. Yesterday, I made a video talking about how it is moving, and earlier today, I even did a live stream talking about the movement and how we're going to hit $1 a lot sooner than people think, right? There's so much surrounding this that really it's just creating more and more hype for the project. And now there's also much more conversation that's happening with it, not only for everyday investors, the community members, the team themselves, but also in, government, right? When you talk about cryptocurrency and the lawsuit that's happening with the SEC and many things there, it's coming up more and more. Articles are coming out talking about Gary Gensler's job and how that's attributing to all of this. And today we reached 90 cents, and honestly, we're kind of hovering around here, which is something that we don't typically see. Whenever we see it get to a higher level, it tends to fall down immediately. So the fact that it's getting up here, holding these levels, consolidating around these levels, shows me or tells me that it's going to have a lot of strength for the future. So before we get started in this video, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, I have a link for Patreon down below if you're interested in, learning how to leverage trade. If you're interested in reaching out to me or joining a community, I would like to be able to build that up to where the community truly does have a lot of conversations, as well as new buy alerts. Right, I made a new buy earlier today that I'm not going to release until my next video on YouTube, so you guys won't know about it until obviously 6 or 7 hours later after I already make the investment. And I tell you the reasons as to why I'm investing into those things and break it down in depth. So feel free to check out that link for Patreon down below. Also, if you're interested in trading, maybe you don't have as much money, or maybe you do have a lot of money and you're looking to one up everybody else that is trading, feel free to check out my link for BTCC. This is a platform that offers up to 500x leverage, a minimum of 2x leverage. You can actually trade straight up if you want to, and various positions that you can trade. Now, for the benefits, as you click this link that I'm partnered with, as you can see, you can get 10% deposit bonus, $500 or USDT or more. You also have $10,000 of an extra bonus, up to $10,000, as well as 40% lower trading fees. So feel free to check out my link down below if you guys are interested in signing up for a decent platform, a really, really good platform that you could trade XRP and many other positions on. Anyways, what we're here for is to talk about the position that we hold the most of, which is XRP. We bought 100,000 XRP. We hold 90,000 XRP. Well, actually, we hold 100,000, but 10,000 is sitting over there for a very, very long time for whatever that can end up being and what we believe it's going to be in the long term. But the short term plays, we're looking for levels like $5, $10, 20, 100, 200, and things of that nature. So, with that being said, where does XRP stand? When we see XRP, it currently stands at 89 cents, 89.3 cents. It's up by 12.33%. It just continues to run. Because the last time we talked about it, it was up to 80 cents. This morning, it was up to 80 cents. Before that, it was pushing up to 70 and breaking past 70 cents. And just kept moving. And you could see that by all of the levels that you have here. So, to break it down even further, the market cap for XRP hit $50 billion for the first time in a very, very long time. You're again looking at a 12.48% increase in the market cap and an 81% increase in volume. While we've already seen a decent amount of volume that has been in the billions, we're talking about 5 billion, 6 billion. We're now talking about getting to 10 billion, 11, 12, and today $13.11 billion that has gone through XRP by itself, up 81%. Volume to market cap ratio 26.35%, which shows the level of popularity that it does have. Also, the circulating supply is is approaching the 57% range. You know that they have dilution because they do add coins to it every single month. Now, if we look at how the chart has moved, again, over this last 24 hours, we saw this at a low here of 76 cents. And now it's approaching the levels of 90 cents. And just briefly, as we saw 10 a.m., right after my live stream, you saw it hit 90.9 cents. And then right now it's sitting at 89.39 cents. So it got to a way higher level. We're approaching the levels that we were at when XRP was labeled as not a security. And with that being said, we can see this move a lot further. Now, where is this coming from? Why are we seeing these levels? Why are we seeing this increase? Well, if you don't know, Trump has been elected to be the next president, has been chosen to be the next president. And from what he understands, or what I do understand, there is a lot hovering around the conversation of cryptocurrency. And there was also a big conversation for outside folks, or technically inside if you're looking at crypto, that have talked about Gary Gensler's departure. And every single step of the way, we have a new article talking about how Gary Gensler may resign, how Gensler will get fired if he doesn't resign, and all of the above that leads to Ripple and XRP being kind of free and clear to create partnerships and do what they were looking to do for XRP, for the XRPL. Now, is that big for Ripple? Of course it's big for Ripple, right? They've been looking to continue to create these partnerships. It's never really been about legal clarity, and maybe that becomes something that's a change in the future where it's all about legal clarity. And when you do have it about legal clarity, you can now move on to partnerships and trying to understand, or the government trying to understand crypto rather than just penalizing it or trying to attack it. And that seems to be what Gary Gensler has always been about, is penalizing cryptocurrency as much as they possibly can, not about trying to understand. That's all they need to do, is try to understand. And I'm sure every single exchange, project, company, partner, whoever would be able to explain it to them and give them an understanding of what the mindset is behind these cryptocurrencies, behind what you're trying to do. So this is a big deal. This is a huge deal to see many articles that are coming up and seeing XRP surge because of these things. There's no other rhyme or reason as to why this can really push up besides the community, the level, the volume, but the volume is attributed to all of the good news that can come out of that camp, which is Gary Gensler's resignation or firing, or whatever. And it may take a little bit. We might see XRP get up to a level of $1 or $2 by the end of this year. That's what I'm hoping for. $100 billion market cap is what I'm looking for XRP, because it's going to skyrocket way past $100 billion. And I can't wait to prove a lot of people wrong in seeing this success for XRP. So just to end this, I want to show you guys where my portfolio is with my just XRP. I have my 90,000 XRP that's worth $80,000, and my average buy-in price is 51, and you're going to see that I'm up $35,408 on this play alone, and I expect to be up a lot more than that as time goes on. So anyways, guys, let me know what you think about XRP and where you think we're going. Any other news that you have, to let me know or let anybody else know. But if you could, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, check out my link for Patreon, as well as my link for BTCC down below in the description. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.